Hello, welcome back to my channel. Loki! Today I'm having guests for dinner, so I thought I would show you a little bit of what that looks like. I've officially started decorating for Christmas. We only have the tree physically standing and lit right now. We are decorating it on the weekend. But here is what Christmas looks like right now in our home. My favorite thing that I decorated this year, I think, is definitely my chandelier. Keep watching the rest of this video to see how I did that. And if you were here from the antiquing video, then you might recognize these wine glasses. They are almost 100 years old. They're a Tiffin Mandarin Royal glass. Here I'm just setting up the bar area. I have a rosemary rim. I have had such a busy week. If you watch this week's episode of the Kardashians, I feel like Kim when she was like, go, 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 not stopping, thing after thing after thing. That is what like the last 2 weeks have been for me. Every day, one thing after another, go, go, go. So I'm just looking forward to relaxing this evening and enjoying company of family and friends. And I'm gonna be doing a holiday themed look. I'm copying this Selena look. I love it. The shimmer lid, the red lip. It's like a classic holiday glam. Wing and red lip is a classic holiday glam. The shimmer just did it for me. So that is what we are going to recreate today. I just got back from a massage. Well, what did we do today? I got up and finished making a white chocolate tart for dessert. Then we went to the gym and did a couple other errands. We had to pick up some groceries for this evening. What else did we have to do? Oh, get gas, go for a car wash. Then I came back from the gym, ate, and had a shower before I had to go my massage. And now I'm home. I always had so many hairs to pluck. Oh my god, I can't remember the last time I did them. I just love this time of year. I love holiday baking and holiday music, the Hallmark Christmas movies. Oh, it's just a wonderful time of the year. I'm going to be wearing black leather shorts and a sweater. It sounds bizarre, but just wait till you see it. When you use any brow glue or laminate type of stuff, like even the ABH Brow Freeze, you really have to saturate the hairs, go back and forth, get them really coated in the glue, and then laminate them down. And as you go, it scrapes off any extra glue and lays the hairs down. Kind of going in like a 45-degree angle. If you don't like that straight up look. And then of course, don't forget to wipe off the excess glue with makeup remover. So when I do these dinners, I usually try to think of a theme in mind. Sometimes it's a cuisine theme, other times it's just a color theme. There was one year that I was just really inspired by yellow and lime. But this time, or this week, I've been really inspired by cranberries and rosemary. I think it's just such a beautiful pairing. It looks pretty with the red and green, and I really enjoy the flavor of rosemary. So we have a white chocolate and cranberry tart. And I also had to candy some cranberries for the garnish on top. So leftover of those is going to be used in the drink garnish. I have rosemary and sugar rimmed cocktail glasses. We're gonna be doing a cranberry cocktail. The entree is a half chicken, a chicken leg and thigh for every person, with potatoes, shallots, garlic, butter, rosemary and thyme, classic Christmas flavors, and a nice wine. The cranberries inspired my Christmas decor as well, especially my chandelier. I got this flocked wreath from my local home sense, and it has cranberries and lights already in it. Now I'm going to go in with the ABH Soft Glam palette, and I'm just going to add some browns to the lid. Taking a fluffy brush and orange soda, and just placing that all over the lid in windshield wiper motion. This is such a gorgeous palette because it has your warm and cool tones, as well as some shimmers and a black shade. Honestly, what more could you need from a palette? And I'm just gradually adding darker and darker browns to this outer corner. Just working in circular motions and back and forth sweeping motions, going from the lightest brown to the darkest brown in the palette, keeping the dark shades towards the outer corner as we go. Everyone's favorite part, glitter. I'm using Peach's Makeup Glitter Base, and I'm just placing that on the lid before topping that with an ABH glitter. Like, how pretty is that? This would look so nice for New Year's. You can avoid the lash line with the glitter because we're going to do wing liner, but it's up to you. This is the ColourPop liquid liner in Numero Uno. Okay, maybe it's dried out. This is the Il Makiage liquid liner in Ink Liner Black. Also, why did Numero Uno sound so weird when I said it? Numero Uno? Numero Uno? I don't know. And then you can just clean it up with some concealer or makeup remover. Lashes are on, now let's move on to face. Just going in with a regular daily moisturizer. And of course, the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, the Holy Grail. You can just see how this blurs and smooths the pores. Now going in with a cream contour palette to do some underpainting. Going slightly above the actual whatever. So as you can see, I'm tracing the cheek, the jaw, and the temples, and I blend that out with my foundation brush. You don't have to blend it out completely in because we're going to go over this with foundation. As you can see, I blend in an upward motion. Always blend upward. If you blend down, it can make the face look muddy. And again on the other side, just showing you that I don't blend it in all the way. Now foundation. I'm of course going in with my Summer Glow Beauty Velvet Matte Foundation. I'm using shade F16 today. I had a catastrophe happen this week. I was trying to take just a cute little sunset video, and when I went to go squirt the foundation, it went right onto my white bed. And I had a tray there to prevent spills for that exact reason. Shot over it. This foundation works so well with cream products as well as powder products. It blends into the skin so easily. It's oil-free and has skin-loving benefits of hyaluronic acid and vitamins E and C. It has a clear water scent. It's my absolute favorite product. Now I'm going to go in with some concealer, but just look at this beautiful coverage. Lately I've been using 2 concealers just because I'm kind of losing my summer tan. So I'm going in with Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. That is a mouthful. And then I'm going to go in with the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in Vanilla. Then using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend that out. I just like that using this combo. It's warm and tan enough here, and then using that lighter one just adds like a little bit of brightness to the inner corner of the eye, and I think it's really pretty. So pretty. Now I like to set everything with my Summer Glow Beauty Flashback Proof Setting Powder. Normally I have to add more concealer here because of my rosacea and redness and keratosis, but my skin routine and my foundation have just been doing me so good lately that I haven't needed the extra coverage. You can bake with this or rub it off right away. You can use it to set all over your face, but because I use cream products, like cream bronzer, I'm gonna use powder bronzer to set those areas. And I'm just using my loose baking and setting powder to carve the cheek here and to set my under eye, as well as prevent any shine on my forehead. This powder is also available in shimmer finish, and I absolutely love that because I love a shimmery look, but I find like the dewy looks often look wet and sweaty, and I don't like that. So no offense to anyone who does, I just don't like it. So what I love about the shimmer finish powder is that you get this secured, set, locked in feel, but it adds luminosity back into the skin. Hoola bronzer just over where I put my cream contour. My favorite blush palette, the Morphe 8W Warm. I'm gonna go in with Witty and Beat. If you don't mix your blush, you're missing out. Using the ABH Brow Wiz pencil in chocolate to fill in any sparse areas and to just darken my brows a bit. I had mine microbladed many years ago, so it's just a little faded lighter than my hair right now. I had to do my hair and get my outfit on because I'm doing a red lip, and with my luck, I would get the red lip everywhere. So, going in with my Summer Glow Beauty lip liner in 3006. These lip liners are so creamy. They glide on so easy without tugging the lip. But they aren't too creamy that they smudge and bleed and seep out everywhere either. Now I'm going to top that with my Summer Glow Beauty lipstick in 110. It's a perfect true red. So pigmented and hydrating with jojoba oil. And they're transfer resistant, so they last a long time. There you have it. Classic holiday glam. Again, thank you so much for watching. The biggest thing you can do to help my small business is like, comment, and share. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. XOXO.